What is going on, guys? It's Nick and I'm back with another video. Today I have an interesting topic for you guys. I know that I was supposed to get out the how a millennial could invest $1,000, but simply I need more time on it. I want it to be very specific and I want it to be well made. So today we're going to talk about, is Robinhood the best brokerage? And I've listed below a couple pros and some cons, and I want to go over them. Then I want to talk about the target audience, and then overall I want to talk about what I think personally. So, one of the best pros of Robinhood is that there's no commission fees. So you don't have to pay per trade. You don't have to pay anything. So if you lose money, you don't have to pay anything. If you make money, you don't have to pay anything. There's simply no commission fees. Now, I do have, for comparison, I have Robinhood compared to E-Trade, Scottrade, and I do have TD Ameritrade. So let's talk a little bit about E-Trade in comparison. So E-Trade does charge a trade commission of $6.95. They have an account minimum of $500. Now, Robinhood has no account minimum. You could start off with any dollar amount, maybe even a dollar, I'm not sure. They do have promotions, but we'll get to it that Robinhood does have promotions also. Scottrade is a $6.95 commission also. Their account minimum is $2,500, so they're targeting a totally different audience than Robinhood is. And let's move to TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade's pretty good. I have a TD Ameritrade account and I like it. I've realized TD Ameritrade is more for longer holdings, not shorter holdings, but they have no account minimum, so it's super cool. $6.95 per online trade. Okay, and then you could see here like some of the broker assisted ETFs. There's no commission, but they do charge $6.95. A little bit forex currencies. Futures are a 225 fee. Bad, but it's not ideal. Now, another thing is easy bank transfers. When I use my Robinhood account and I send money from my bank account to Robinhood, it instantly appears, meaning I can use it instantly. And then you could do recurring automatic deposits. This is good if you're, maybe living on a salary-based income or what have you, that you could just weekly put money in or monthly or however you want. And then the next best thing is, because I have to plug here, is free stocks when sign up through referral. So down below in the description is my referral. If you want to make a Robinhood account, use the referral. We'll both get a free stock. It's really nice. It's neat. We could get like Berkshire Hathaway, we could get Apple, we could get big stocks, but more than likely we're going to end up with the Zynga. I just want to be straightforward with that. Popular Collections. Popular Collections is their new page that lets you explore like top 100 stocks. It shows cryptos. It's actually very user friendly, and for beginners, it's just a great tool to have and to use. Robinhood's great for beginners. It's easy to use. You don't need much experience. You could just get right into it. No cost to withdraw funds. Some brokerages will charge a fee that you have to pay to move money to your bank account. Robinhood does not. The great customer support team. I've had a couple issues with them with giving out free stocks, and the support team is always fast, and I get my free stocks. They're a great team, and one of the biggest advantages on Robinhood is that you could purchase a lot on Robinhood. You can buy stocks, you can buy ETFs, and now you can do some cryptocurrencies. So you could do like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. You can't do Ripple yet, but they're implementing more strategies. And now I want to move on to cons. So one of the biggest cons I have personally experienced with Robinhood is that it's not meant for day trading. Their prices aren't always accurate towards Thinkorswim, which Thinkorswim is a TD Ameritrade powered, I guess, price chart, and it shows you live charts. So it's not always accurate to that. So prices are off a tad bit. They can be off a tad bit. In my experience, they have been off a tad bit on some stocks, and I have lost money because of that. So I think Robinhood is not meant for day trading. If you plan on day trading, I would definitely make like a TD Ameritrade account, something like that that is more accurate, but you have to know that you will be paying a commission fee. But if you are willing to do that, definitely go with TD Ameritrade or someone else. Prices are not accurate to thinkorswim. I just spoke about that. They're not accurate. A tedious application process. I know because I started my account, or I made my account a couple years back, so it wasn't as tedious as what it is now. But I have a lot of buddies who recently made one, and there's just like a longer application process. They need more items, so like they may need. You're gonna need your social security card regardless of what brokerage you may go to, but you're going to need like your social security card, a picture of your bank statement, a picture of your license. There's a lot more than there used to be. And I think also another con that I did not list is that there is no desktop app. Now, they are trying for a desktop app. I'm pretty sure it's in beta. They've been working on it for a while, but once they implement the desktop app, I think this is going to be the ideal brokerage. But for right now, I think, it may make sense for traders who are day trading to go to a TD Ameritrade or a Scott Trade. And one more con, and this is because it is currently March 12th at 2:04. Their system is completely down right now. I mean, I understand stuff like this happens. Fortunate enough, I'm not in any day trades or swing trades. All my trades are long. So, I mean, this doesn't really affect me. But for the people in like our Discord chat, this is affecting them tremendously. They are either losing money right now or they're making a bunch of money and there's nothing they can do about it because Robinhood is currently down. You can open up the account, but it has not updated. So now I want to move on to who the target audience for Robinhood is. The target audience is young people. Young people are the target audience for Robinhood. This is a younger generation of people who don't like commissions and they like to be tech savvy, so they want to do everything on their phone. It's very easy. Young people are most attracted to this. Older people are not going to go with Robinhood. They're either going to call in for a stock, or they're going to go on their TD Ameritrade, Scotch Trade, or their Charles Schwab account. Um, I say the target audience, and this is meant to be very lightly, but I think it's more inexperienced traders. So, traders that just want to throw a couple bucks on, see how something goes, maybe learn. I think there's also a lot of experienced traders, but I think more experienced traders are paying brokerages commission fees for more accurate numbers. And then I think also the target audience is people with a limited money to invest. I mean, we saw that the other brokerages, you had to either start with 500, 2,500. That's a lot of money to put into it. If you're on a limited income and you want to put something away, you can start off with $100 on Robinhood, $50 on Robinhood, and build your account up. So my overall thoughts on it, I give it a 9 out of 10. I like Robinhood. There's a couple things I don't like. I don't like that they don't have a desktop. I don't like that the numbers are precise, but for me that doesn't really matter because I'm not day trading. But for someone watching this video who is day trading, Robinhood may not be your best bet. You should also download Thinkorswim if you do plan on day trading. It is live charts. Um, but I like Robinhood. I think it's a good brokerage. Um, I definitely like my TD Ameritrade account also, but this is good, and I think it's a great brokerage for people to use who maybe have little experience, maybe not a lot, but I think it's a great brokerage, and I think they're only going to get bigger and bigger as time goes on. Um, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to make a Robinhood account, there's a link in the description to make one. Use my referral code. We'll both get a free stock, and have a good day.